My name is Kit-Cameron Marwa. I'm inside sales representative for Heidelberg UK, and essentially I'm a remote account manager. Day to day is just to speak to customers on the phone and provide sales support and solutions for Heidelberg. The one item I could not live without would be my AirPods, because I'm a massive music fan. Go from Arctic Monkeys to Marvin Gaye, they're just my essential from when I'm commuting to the office. I'm a massive Arsenal fan, so the current programme that I'll be currently binge watching will be All or Nothing. It was a great disappointment last season for the results, but you know, it's part of the journey of being an Arsenal fan, I suppose. Favourite aspects of the print industry is the versatility of what the products offer. Luckily with Heidelberg we offer pretty much the full solution, and it's incredible to be a part of that ecosystem and providing that to the customer. Being from the start of the customer journey to the end, I think that's a really unique thing to be in the company where you're involved from start to finish and it being in the customer's hands. It's a really interesting company to be a part of. I connect with the values of Heidelberg. I think the one value that connects with me the most is to inspire, and I think that comes from us being such a key player in the industry, and the fact that we have so much wealth and knowledge around us. I think it inspires our customers. Being surrounded by that environment really inspires me from a day-to-day. My favourite project here at Heidelberg has been with a customer in Wolverhampton, going through a retrofit for LEUV. And the journey has started when I joined the company. There's a great customer journey that we've been able to deliver. We as a team have been able to provide the customer with a great service, and I'd like to say he's very satisfied. I feel immense pride in my role when I'm involved from start to finish, and I'm able to deliver them a satisfaction that's up to their standards. You know, we as Heidelberg take great pride in being there for our customers. My most significant contribution has been being a team player and trying to involve many departments. I'm trying to get a pool tournament sorted within the office. I think we as a company have really transitioned in terms of what we were in Brentford to where we are now, and I think we've got a real new look about us, that we're within the new era of Heidelberg and really being the leaders in that. We as a company have really benefited of that. The Brentford building had such a great historical value, going from an office that had the traditional wooden features, you know, to moving to an office that's got such a great atmosphere. Everyone's sort of at your fingertips really, and I think that's a great part of moving to Stockley Park. You have a lake right by my desk, which I think is really unheard of. I have geese going past my desks every 5 minutes. We're coming into an office, it's got a lot of high-tech equipment, and then you're walking outside and you just see a lake full of all the wildlife and all the creatures, and yeah, it's really grounding. When I look back sort of 2 years to when I started, I've grown massively as an individual, and I think Heidelberg gave me the platform to do that. This company really means it when they say, we want to invest in you as an individual. In the next 5 years, I'd love it to be a senior account manager or anything that can take me further in my sales career within Heidelberg. And I think that goes back to Heidelberg wanting to be market leaders and growing in the industry. You know, Heidelberg within the company culture does reflect that. It does give me a massive sense of pride to work for a company that's got such a heritage from being almost 170 plus years old and been in the forefront of innovation. The fact that it's still the desired and most valuable product for a customer is yeah, it gives me great pride to work for that company. I love working at Heidelberg.